Pumpkin King art, fan art, and prop replicas. So this is the next episode of the Project Spotlight series, where I take an in-depth look at previous projects that I have completed. Today's is probably my most popular, everyone's favorite project that I have done so far. It is backed by popular demand. This is the Rommel's Rod model kit. Rommel's Rod, the Desert Fox Crazy Command Car. It is a monogram kit. I think Revell Models owns Monograms, one that made this. This is one of the Tom Daniel designs. This is a very interesting style kit. They repop it every once in a while. I got this a few years back when they had repopped it. I actually haven't seen one in a while. I watched Boyd Crompton on Trekworks build this, and I thought it was really neat, and I just had to have one myself. Alright, so I went to Hobby Lobby and found me a car display case. I found one the size I liked, and then I decided to take and measure it out and cut my base out of a piece of cardboard, and then I actually glued real sand to it, and then I cut out another piece of cardboard and made a backing for the sky backdrop, and so I also found these neat little palm trees in like the HO model train section, and I took and gave them a nice repaint. Alright, so here in just a minute I'm going to take the top off so we can get a much better look. Alright, so now we've got it open. Get us a better look here. So I done some basic airbrushing, and then I done some dry brushing to do all this weather look, all this rust and grime. Also seen a neat trick that you can do if you take a mask off in the area in which the wipers would go, and then you take and get a matte finish, put it in your airbrush, and then spray the windows. It makes them look like they're dusty and dirty in the right spots. So yeah, all of this is actually real sand I took and put down with glue. The one thing that really popped out about this kit that I really liked was I liked the little skeletons. I thought that was a unique, interesting detail, and you don't usually get a lot of people to put in the model cars, so I really like that idea. So back here is where I made a lot of modifications to this kit. So the regular kit does not have all this canopy draped over the back of it, this leather canopy. Um, it actually like sort of rounds around here and it goes back, and it just got a little bit of canopy detail in the back here. So I decided I want it to look a little neater, a little different. So I took and got a baby wipe, and I dried it out, and then I took some acrylic caulking and I mixed it with water, and till it was really malleable, and then I spread it across the baby wipe and put the baby wipe across here, and now it looks like a leathery material, and I took and of course painted it up. Now it looks really good. Like I said, I also got these over at Hobby Lobby in the like the HO model kit section, and then I took and repainted them to make them look better. Took and added little bits of glue and added in sand to the car itself. One thing you can do if you're wanting to try and get a leatherish style looking stuff, use a matte paint and then go back over it with floor polish. It gives either a vinyl or a leathery look. It's very good if you're wanting to do car seats. If I'm not mistaken, I think the hood comes off. Did I paint? Yeah, I painted even inside there. Gave it a nice rusty look inside there too. I think one of the hardest parts I had painting was the tracks, because where this is an older model kit, it is a little more difficult than others. This is actually one whole piece you have to put together, so it was really hard painting the little individual bits to make it look like it was made out of multiple pieces instead of just one whole piece. Alright, so I think we're going to come back and do like a sweep view so we can get close-up details of the whole thing. Alright, we'll be right back. Please like, subscribe, comment, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and DeviantArt. Have a blessed day.